start off by applying my primer on my face. Now I'm going to blend it all in. So right after doing that, I'm going to take my foundation and I'm going to apply foundation on my skin, but I'm going to go in with a little amount of foundation. I'm going to grab my blender and I'm going to blend it all into my skin. I can do this for us. So now I'm going in with a concealer, my concealer. I'm going to apply this underneath my eyes. You got me reminiscing, I've been thinking about you. You've been my baby for life, Give me the key, I'm inside you set me free. Now there's nothing, now you got me losing my mind, give your all to me. So I'm going in with contour and I'm contouring the sides. Get rid of that double chin. To contour the sides of my nose as well. Before I get on to my brows, I'm going to set my face and allow it to bake. So I'm using my setting powder from Black Opal setting powder, and I'm going to be using this blending brush. So I'm just going to tap, dust it off, and apply that on the areas that I highlighted earlier on. And I'm going to apply my hair wax on my brows. So I'm going to use this brush and I'm going to brush out my brows. And right now I'm just going to blend it all. Yeah, so right now I'm going to go in with my blending foam or sponge, my blender, and I'm going to press down the powder onto my skin. Apply mascara for the final, not the final, but almost the final step. I'm going to apply this pinkish lip liner on my lips, right here. Give me the key, I'm inside you set me free. And now I'm going to apply my lip gloss on it. You be my nigga for life, baby. I'm the only one. You got me thinking. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think of this look in the comment section, and if you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscription button and turn on the post notifications to get updates whenever I post a new video. I would love to see you in the next one, and bye.